How you doing? Just wanted to do a little show you what I bought at the local surplus place today, or actually a couple days ago. Just got it loaded up or actually unloaded and put in my storage unit today. It's a Birmingham YCL-1236GH, and doesn't seem too bad. It's got a little bit of surplus rust on it, as you can see, but I'm going to get that all cleaned up. Seems to run pretty good. Got to change the oil in the carriage and the headstock and everything like that, make sure everything's good. But single phase, got it hooked up to my 220 line. But going to kind of be doing some reviews over this over next couple months of trying to use it and get used to it and stuff. It's a little dirty right now. Like I said, I just got it and I kind of cleaned up some of the chips and stuff. And it's got some under storage under there, where a bunch of chips and stuff under there, and another one over on this side. But it actually came pretty well tooled, is the reason I bought it. I started out with this little south bend, and I started going through it, and it just ended up to be more work than I wanted to. You can see I started painting some of it, and had to put a you can't see it really in there, but maybe if I open up in here, it's got a brand new ball door, single phase motor on it and stuff. I got to get wired up, but for the price I paid for the new Birmingham, I'll have a lot more in this south bend than I would. Granted, it's a better lathe, but it's a lot older, and I don't know what the wear on it is and stuff. But I'm going to get rid of that, so I'm going to be putting that either up on Craigslist or maybe throwing it up on Practical Machinist and see if anybody's interested in the Ohio area to come get it. But what it came with was a bunch of tooling in Birmingham. Got a face plate, a independent 4-jaw, 5C collet, another 3-jaw, but it doesn't have the backing plate on it. Follower rest, steady rest, extra jaws. It also came with the scroll 4-jaw that's on the lathe there too. Some extra little tools and stuff, nothing great, but a little cut off and a like a Kennametal K-lock threading or grooving insert bar. All the wrenches, some extra jaws for the scroll 4-jaw. 1 or 2 tool holders, nothing great. Bunch of centers. Came with the leveling pads, the grease, a 5C collet, and I also found a nice milling or drill press vise in it, which was also a surprise when I opened up all the stuff in there. So I got the whole lathe and everything for $1,000, so can't complain about that. But as I said, we're gonna go through some cleaning up, and I'll give you my reviews here in a couple weeks of what I find out with the lathe and how it works and stuff. Already some of the things I can find out that it doesn't have with like a older south bend. It doesn't have the back gear for the high torque and low speeds, but it's got some speeds here. But I still need to get a manual for it and the rear chip guard for it. But seems to run okay. I mean, as soon as I hit fired right up, it's got up to goes up to 1400 RPMs. Wish it had a little bit more, but we'll do with what we have to with it. But I'll keep you up to date and throw some more videos up here of me getting it cleaned up and stuff, and seeing how it actually cuts and stuff like that. Maybe we'll do a little test bar piece on it and see what comes up. But it does have cross feed on the carriage and on the saddle, so something I was looking forward to. Just cleaning it up and being able to run soon, instead of having to go through cleaning the whole lathe up over there at the south bend and trying to tool it and stuff. Would have been a lot more expensive. But keep watching, and we'll see what comes up with this Birmingham. Maybe I'll like it, maybe I don't, and maybe I'll end up selling it here in a couple months, but who knows. Let's see what happens.